Okay, so next on our series of decluttering your home space by space is going to be a very important space that you may not have thought about, and that's your garage. As I've been working with people to find homes, I've found a common theme in the search is that garage space is really important. Whether people want to use it to park their cars, whether they want to use it as a home gym space, as just an extra space, as a place to hang out and, watch TV. People are really interested in having a lot of garage space that they can use. So that means that when you're selling your home, you want to make sure to make that garage look as spacious as possible. And what's the best way to do that? It's going to be to remove anything that you don't need. If you're using your garage for storage, as many people do, I usually recommend that you get a small storage space or even a pod and move that stuff out so that when buyers are touring your home, they can see a nice open garage space, or we can even stage it as a home gym or some other extra bonus space that's going to be really appealing to buyers. And of course, whatever you're going to leave in your garage during the selling process, you want to make sure you have organized really well. Your tools, anything else that you're storing in there, you want to make sure that you have it in uniform bins, on shelves, or hung on the wall so that someone can come into the garage and see this is a great space to store my things, or this is a great space to use as whatever I plan to use it for when I move into the home. And if you're just now joining me on this decluttering journey, be sure to hit the follow button and you can see the rest of the series about how to declutter your home zone by zone.